You and me. Ikaw at ako. You are beautiful. Ikaw ay maganda. Maganda ka. You are kind. Ikaw ay mabait. Mabait ka. You are a doctor. Ikaw ay isang doktor. Doktor ka. You are right. Ikaw ay tama. Tama ka. You are wrong. Ikaw ay mali. Mali ka. You are smart. Ikaw ay matalino. Matalino ka. You are my friend. Ikaw ay aking kaibigan. Kaibigan kita. You were noisy a while ago. Ikaw ay maingay kanina. Maingay ka kanina. You are cooking. Ikaw ay nagluluto. Nagluluto ka. Will you be the one to cook? Ikaw ba ang magluluto? Were you the one who cooked this? Ikaw ba ang nagluto nito? Have you eaten? Ikaw ba ay kumain na? Kumain ka na ba? You are watching. Ikaw ay nanonood. Nanonood ka. It's up to you. Ikaw ang bahala. Bahala ka. Only you. Ikaw lang. How about you? Ikaw ba? You gave the gift. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng regalo. You will be the one to pay. Ikaw ang magbabayad. You will be the first one. Ikaw ang mauuna. You were the one who made it. Ikaw ang gumawa. You were the one at fault. Ikaw ang may kasalanan. You were the one who said that. Ikaw ang nagsabi niyan. You are the one who said it. Ikaw ang nagsabi. You are the only one here. Ikaw lang ang nandito. It was you. Ikaw yun. You are mine. Ikaw ay akin. You're the owner. Ikaw ang may-ari.